People are shocked. They're shocked because we wanted him to come back healthy, and we knew he was ill, but well, this is sad. I don't know what to say. Yeah. This is not a show. This is pure love. People adored him. He was a visionary. He was a man who worked for Ethiopia day and night for the past how many years, and this is an outpouring of love for him.
Today, the Pope of Ethiopia is being buried, and the whole country is very, very sad. I personally know him and appreciate what he's done for Ethiopia in terms of the church. So we're here to send him off, and the whole country is really, really sad. First, we lost the Pope, and then we lost the Prime Minister of Ethiopia in the span of less than 2 weeks.
How does that make you feel?
It's very sad. It's very sad to lose two people in less than 2 weeks. It's very sad for everyone, for every Ethiopian, abroad or here.
How do you think the country's taking it?
I think the country is taking it well, meaning in terms of there is no chaos. Everybody's doing what they're supposed to, keeping up. I think it's because we have faith.